Are mobile apps listening to your conversations? Few days back, I was searching for Bluetooth earphones and I was talking generally, not in the phone. The next day morning, I got a notification from Amazon that the new set of Bluetooth earphones were in sale now. You can buy it. Later, like I open Google, notification comes that from another seller about Bluetooth earphones. Later, I open Instagram. On the same day, I'm talking about things happen in the same day. Night, I have spoken about the earphones, Bluetooth earphones, and the next day morning, like I have witnessed all these apps. Even in Instagram, I saw ads on Bluetooth earphones. It really raises a question that do mobile apps or your mobile phone listening to you even you're not using it? Yes, that is true. If you install any app in the beginning, it will ask the audio access. It might be Amazon, it might be Instagram, anything. There are many options, right? So we are always ready to give the access, like we will just click allow without reading that actually. But the thing is, it is not really illegal to listen to your voice because they use it for advertising purposes. Google or YouTube listen to you even though you're not using them, which will help them to show ads to relevant users. Similarly, Amazon does the same. Amazon listens to you when you're not using internet. Still, Amazon can listen to your voice if you have given the audio access, and it will use your audio to suggest you better products. Even Facebook and Instagram uses your audio. If you don't want to use that, whenever you are giving access to your audio, just click only this time instead of every time, and that is something that you can do. And yeah, it is not illegal, so we cannot complain. Whatever you're speaking, your mobile phone is listening. Also, there is another example that you can consider in real time. Yeah, if you are using Google Voice or Alexa or Siri, even though you're not using that, you're not using your mobile phone, but suddenly if you call okay Google somewhere, it will immediately respond to you, right? So how can it be possible? If it's not listening, how can a particular Google Voice or particular Apple particular Siri or particular Alexa knows that you're calling okay Google or okay Siri? Because they were observing, they were monitoring, they were listening to you 24/7. That is the reason why whenever you call okay Google, it will immediately respond to you. Similarly, all the apps were listening to you. Of course, they cannot use your audio for other purposes apart from advertisement, so it is not illegal, it is legal. But if you want to be sure about, if you don't want apps to listen to your voice, then whenever you are giving permissions, make sure you only give permission this time, only this time, but not always or every time. So that is the only way you can stop apps from listening to your voice. I hope it would be helpful. If you find it insightful, please share this video in your network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.